What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Troy, which has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at 0.003927 cents. So we're going to be looking at how high is the crypto going to pump. Is it going to keep going upwards? Is it going to drop back down, or is it going to fluctuate at the current price range? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Should you buy it? Should you sell it? So on and so on. And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Troy go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, nothing too major. And we do have Troy as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. Even according to Binance here, as you can see, top gainers number one is Troy. So as you can see here, in the last hour, it has taken a little bit of a drop, 3%, but that's nothing major compared to how much is gained. Not even in the last 24 hours, since earlier this morning, about 5-6 hours ago, is when the pump started, and it's still ongoing right now. And over the week, 95%, with the major increase here in early July, which was just about 5 days ago, where it pumped up over 150%, hitting 0.5%, dropped back down in value, and right now pumping again. And over the month and overall 72% up, guys. So yes, Troy has been performing quite well this month. However, the only negative side to it is it's pumped up, drop down in value, pumped up, and likely to drop down again. So again, it's like a pump and dump, but it's not really, because it's happened again. But yeah, you get the gist of what I'm saying. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,000%, making it $39 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Troy. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as I mentioned earlier, because it's one of the top trending cryptos right now and the top gainer as well. So it's getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using in the video to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Troy, which is here in purple at 0.002546 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in red at 0.003921 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, quite interesting, guys. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Troy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, more or less, Troy should be trading around its current price range, let's say of about 0.0038 to 0.0039 cents is what I'm expecting Troy to be trading at towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. Is likely to pump up higher to about 0.0045, 0.005 cents, even 0.5 cent over the coming hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value later this evening to tomorrow morning, so dropping down to around its current price range. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Sorry, not slightly, it's looking very bullish, very steep as well, meaning it's not realistic, guys. Again, As mentioned plenty of times before, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, that means it's not realistic. Only reason it's looking so steep going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. What I am expecting over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, is for Troy to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially below 0.003 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of next week. But again, do expect green days in between as well, up and down, quite volatile, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes guys, just like what's happened before, a pump and then it's dropped down in value, and a similar pattern is what's likely to take place again over the next couple of days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, still got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction. However, once again, that's not realistic. Even though over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Troy. I'm not expecting anything too major, nothing too crazy. So let's say late August, early September 2023, I'm expecting Troy to have gone for an overall increase in value, heading towards the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. Again guys, I'm not saying it's going to hit 1 cent, but heading towards there and getting very, very close to the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting from Troy over the next approximately 2 months. And over the next 2 to 3 months, we should essentially be able to hit the 1 cent target. Of course, depending on how the crypto market performs and how Bitcoin performs, to be specific. For example, if it drops down to 20k, we are of course going to see major drops in the crypto market. However, if it manages to somehow pump up to 40, 45, 50k or whatever it is, then yes, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market, which we hopefully see guys. But again, it's cryptocurrency, it's a very volatile market, so again, any little news can have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies out there. So yes, that is why I'm here guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and what my takes are on it as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Troy guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Troy to hit the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, and at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.